How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 56 Bel Air two-door post done in a really neat raspberry and midnight blue two-tone with a nice off-white interior. Super nice little car. Car was restored several years back. Real nice car. All the chrome is real nice on the car. The grill's new. It's got the updated headlights. Got all new wiring in the car. It's nice and straight down the sides. Real nice clean car underneath. The taillights are originals and are in excellent shape for being original. A little bit of patina in them. The rear bumper looks to be like the original and it's real nice. Real straight down the sides. All the stainless moldings are original and they're all in really good shape. It's got a 350 in it with a 4-barrel. It's got power steering. It's got power disc brakes. It's got air conditioning. See, it's updated with the aluminum radiator. It's got a 700 R4 overdrive trans. The jams all look good. I tell you, I really like the interior. Real nice job on the interior. Got a nice tilt column. Got a retrofit stereo. A nice little center console. Real nice doing the buckets. They fit the car real nice. It even has lighted rear view mirror. Get your front and rear seat belts. Trunk's nice. Got a CD player mounted there. The battery's been moved to the back, a nice shut-off switch. Got some of the paperwork on the car. All in the box there. You had to kind of bear with us. It's only like 13 degrees out right now. Just a really nicely done car. Dash looks real nice. A nice set of duals on it all the way out the back. Tell you, the updated headlights are real nice in these cars. Got all updated electric wiper system in it. Lights seem to work in the car like they should and everything. It's just a real good, this car drives out awesome. It's got a posi rear in it also. And you can check out our full inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. a great day, folks.